everybody, let's make the snowman today. The material you're gonna need, everybody knows that. You need black sparkling foam, red sparkling foam, and felt or sparkling orange foam. Also, I'm gonna use some gesso because I have left from another project, but I'm gonna tell you how to do your snow paste. What you're gonna need? You're gonna need baking soda, you're gonna need mud podge, and you're gonna need acrylic paint. Here is the recipe. You're gonna mix everything and you have a consistent of like pancake mix. Here is the pattern. You're gonna cut on the foam all the pieces, the mouth, the eyebrow, everything. Here it's the nose. You can use foam or you can use felt, depending on what you have. Don't forget to make notches. First, you're gonna take off all the label of the box, even on the side too. Like this one, you see, everything is removed. Second, you're gonna take a button and you're gonna make a little string. You're gonna put here and you're gonna close the box. I suggest you to glue everything. Now we're gonna start to use the paste. Don't forget you can make your own paste. Me, I'm gonna use what a leftover of the other days. It's like you butter a toast, same thing, same process. You see? You put peanut butter on the bread. I'm gonna do the top. And also, you're gonna do the side. If you notice, this side is not done. I'm gonna tell you why. This is next step. So, let dry. This is ready, it's dry. You remember I told you not to do this, the back side. Why? Because now we're gonna put the nose. You have to roll the nose like that. And don't forget, I told you to make notches. And we're gonna glue it. I'm gonna take some glue. Oh, this one doesn't work. Let's see.
Pardon?
I roll it like a cone. You let it dry a little bit. You press. Then the seam is very flat. Now we're gonna put on the face. Don't forget the seam down, then you don't see it. I'm gonna put some more glue. So you continue to paste around the nose, very gentle, not to smudge the nose. So I'm gonna put this aside. This is ready and dry. So we're gonna make the finishing touch. You're gonna glue the mouth. There's the eyes. Oops. I have to put more glue. Doesn't hold. Okay. Here. The eyebrow. Now it's done. You can see, same thing. You let it dry and you put in your Christmas tree or on the door. It goes very nice. Next project will be Christmas star.